Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video we're going to take a closer look at the new Up, Up and Away stamp and coordinating die set. This set is a part of Trinity Stamp's latest release called Sweet Summer, and this is a 4x6 stamp set, and it has this really cute gnome and a sentiment that says happy birthday and some clouds. And this is one of my favorites from this release. Super cute image and large and perfect for practicing your coloring. So here you can see how it looks when it's all stamped out. I hope that helps to just get a closer look at it. And I will also share an image here with it colored in together with the stamp set. If you like even more inspiration, you can always visit Trinity Stamp's Instagram account, the blog, and of course the fan page, the YouTube channel as well. So here you can see how it looks all stamped out, and yeah, I had a blast creating this. I will now leave you with some close-ups from the design team here, and I hope this video was helpful. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!